Okay, thank you. Hey, thanks.
Yeah, I didn't see you, sorry.
No, you're good. Getting pretty muddy over on this side. This side has seen a little bit of sun for the last few days. So I've had a hard time getting out to even do any kind of riding the last few weeks. We had a period there where an Arctic front came down and we didn't get above 0 degrees Fahrenheit for quite some time. It's hard to ride in those conditions. And your battery life is just cut down so much. Hi, come on by. You're good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure?
Absolutely. I'm going downhill. That's easy.
You want this straight away, don't you?
Yeah. It's easier when you run into people on the dirt / muddy areas versus the snow. Thank you very much. Thank you. What's that? Oh, no kidding. Okay. Oh yeah, I see him. We got a nice deer up here. Big buck. Thank you. Cute little guy. Thank you guys. Hey, thank you very much. I know it looks like we're almost down, but there's actually some really fun ravine riding coming up here. Hey, thank you. Hey,
about
come
that.
on by. Oh, you're good, bud. Okay.
I might need one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's clear all the way up. Was able to ride it all, so. Yeah, you too. Hey, thank you. Okay. Beautiful Aussie.
Thank you.
Love those.
Enjoy the ride.
Hey, thanks. Man, it's getting slippery. Hey. Thanks. Hello. I'll get it out of the way for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have a good day.
Hey, thanks, you too. Hey, we are almost down. A little more ravine riding here. This is very fun. It's more fun when there are not a lot of people on it, but I will definitely have to come back to these trails during the week when there are fewer people, because this is really a very nice trail to ride. Gotta love these fat tires. They just power through everything. Hey. All right, well, we are down to the lower parking lot, and from here it's just a ride downhill to Morrison, so just on the roads. So what a fun trail. That's really awesome. I'm gonna stop over here and so that is the Nitro on muddy, snowy trails. Very fun. Hey, thanks for coming along on the ride. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.